Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I go by the name of Lady Q because I'm a lady, but you can call me Q. If you're new to this channel, I go by Little Big Sis because I be putting you guys onto tea. And today is no other than another Amazon wig find. I know you guys seen this wig already. It's okay. Relax. I know how you girls like to tussle, but we're gonna get it right in just a few seconds. I'm kind of excited about bringing this wig to you guys because I haven't really done any kind of wig like this one. And plus, it is low maintenance. Like, y'all gonna understand what I'm saying in a few. If you like videos like this where I give you the tea on my Amazon wig finds, I need you to click the like button right now. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you share this video with your girls because all these wigs can be found on Amazon and you get it in like 2 days. Like, hello. But without further ado, let's just hop into this video. So today's wig is a headband wig. I'm not a headband wig kind of girl. I like for my edges to show, but we're gonna try something different today because your girl is kind of getting tired of the glue and the spray. Let's see how it goes. So this company named Miss Lee reached out to me. They can be found on Amazon and asked me to do an honest review on one of their headband wigs. It is body wave human hair wig. It is 150 density and 12 inches. So let me go take out the hair. It comes in this pretty packaging. It's like this silk bag. I love when companies send these kind of bags because it gives me a place to store my wigs, because we know I got a lot of wigs, y'all. So you take it out. It's in this plastic. They also sent a headband. Bring it in. Not sure if I would be wearing it, but they do send that. So there's that. Let me show you guys what the hair is looking like. Regular packaging, and this is the hair, and it is 12 inches, so that's why it's kind of short. I'm loving like the little bob wigs at this point. I feel as though because we're going into like the summer months, bob wigs are like the perfect length for me and for you because it's hot. I don't know where all of you are from, but I'm from New York and it is May, so it's starting to get hot and humid, and I ain't got time. This hair is super soft. I can already tell that the hair is good quality. I said it's 150 density, but it feels a little thick, and I like that. The cap construction of this wig, it has 3 combs. There's 2 on the sides, 2 on each side, 1 in the back, and it comes with, you know, your standard adjustable straps. It is very stretchy. I'm not sure if it's big head friendly yet. We'll see once I put it on my head. The material looks super breathable. I love that for me. So you guys already know the drill. I'm gonna go take this wig off, put this wig on, and we're gonna see what we're working with. So I'll be right back. So this is the wig straight out the pack on my head, and I'm not feeling it. Let me tell you guys the price of it. Considering this is a human hair body wave headband wig, this wig is only $40. $40. It does not get better than that. So I'm not feeling it right now, but I definitely see the potential. So I'm gonna go style it a little bit, and then I'm gonna be right back. So I played with it as much as I'm going to play with it. The purpose of a headband wig is to spend the least amount of time on your hair. You literally put your hair back, throw this on, snap the band, and you get to go. I wanted to have the most realistic experience as possible. So all I basically did was I took my flat iron and did some curls throughout it. And this is what we're working with. I think that she's very cute. I do like the length. I like how thick she is. This hair is so soft. She's giving me like mommy, auntie kind of vibes. And I'm a mom. But she's definitely a good summer wig because, one, it cuts down the time. It cuts down the energy that you have to put into gluing it down. She's also good because she's short, so you don't got to worry about like sweating and the tangles and stuff like that. And this hair is really, really soft. I really do like it. I think the only thing I would say is make it a little thicker. I feel like that's the reoccurring con for me, is that they are not thick enough. But I still think this wig is very cute. She is very put her on and go. And sometimes you need that, especially like when you want to go run some errands, or, you know, you got things to do really, really quickly and you don't have time to like do a full lace frontal. I think headband wigs are really good for that. This one is cute. It looks so very natural, as if you like just got a fresh blowout. Again, this is from the Miss Lee store. It can be found on Amazon. I will leave the link to this wig in the description box below. Let me know if you're interested in purchasing this wig. I don't have much to say about this wig. It's beginner friendly. You don't need any experience with wigs to be able to make this headband wig work. Like, it's like before beginner friendly. You can't mess up with this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I love doing it for you, and I will see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace.